Okay, let's move on to unit. Where are we now? 4.2.2. And we're looking at multiplying fractions. So anytime we're going to start something new, it's always a great idea to have an estimate of how we are going to look at our product, in this case, the answer of two digits being multiplied together. So if we're trying to multiply the number 2.95, and we're going to try to multiply that by 1.8. So our estimate we'll put over here, and we'll just do front-end estimation, which will give us 2 times 1, which of course gives us 2. So we're looking for something that's around 2 for an answer. Now let's go ahead and find the product of these two numbers. So first of all, we have 8 multiplied by 5. So we're going to do this. And 8 times 5 is 40. So we'll put our 0 down here and we'll carry our 4 up top. Then we have 8 times 9. And that equals 72. And then we'll add our 4 to that, giving us 76. And we'll carry our 7. And then we have 8 times 2, which is 16. And we'll add our 7 to that, leaving us with 23. Now that we're done multiplying the numbers on the top by the digit in the tenths position, we're going to move on to the next digit, which is the ones position. And since we're moving on to the second digit in our multiplication, we are going to put a placeholder right there. And we'll start off with 1 multiplied by 5, which will give us 5. And 1 multiplied by 9, which will give us 9. And 1 multiplied by 2, which is going to give us 2. Now all that's left to do is add these two numbers up. And 0 times 0, or 0 plus 0, we're going to get a 0. 6 plus 5, we're going to get 11, and we'll carry our 1. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And carry our 1, and 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So here is what we're left over. Now, in order to figure out where we put the decimal place when we're multiplying fractions, we have to take a look at the two numbers we multiplied by together to get what we have. And you can see that in the first number, we have 1 decimal place and 2 decimal places. And in the second number, we have a third decimal place. So altogether, we are going to go 3 decimal places on our number. So if we look at the number we had 5310, we are going to move 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place, and 3 decimal place. And that's where we're going to put our decimal. So our ending number is going to end up at 5.310.